In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a restaurant website in Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned restaurateur or just starting out, having a professional and engaging website is critical for showcasing your menu, attracting customers, and growing your business. Squarespace makes this process straightforward and customizable, even if you don't have prior web design experience. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and build your restaurant's online presence. First, log in to your Squarespace dashboard. The dashboard is like the control panel for your website. It's where you'll manage all the details from design to settings and everything in between. Once you're logged in, look for the Create Website button and click on it. This is the first step to unlocking Squarespace's design and setup tools, which will guide you through crafting your site from start to finish. Next, you'll need to select the purpose of your site. Choose marketing as your site's primary purpose. This option is perfect for restaurants because it provides tools designed to attract and engage customers, promote your events, and even help you build a mailing list. Now, don't worry if you're unsure about this choice. Squarespace allows you to adjust this setting later if your needs change. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. Now, it's time to decide on your site type. For a restaurant, select Sell Products. This option is ideal because it opens up the ability to sell things like gift cards, merchandise, or even offer online orders down the line. It's worth setting this up now so you have the flexibility to add these features in the future as your business grows. With that done, the next step is to choose a template that fits your restaurant's style and atmosphere. Think about the vibe you want to convey, whether it's cozy and rustic, sleek and modern, or vibrant and eclectic. Squarespace templates come with pre-designed layouts that make it easy to bring your vision to life. Keep in mind that you can always switch templates later or customize the colors and fonts to better reflect your brand. Once you've found the perfect template, click Start Editing to enter the website editor. Now it's time to bring your restaurant to life visually. Start by uploading high-quality images of your food. Photos are one of the most powerful ways to showcase your dishes and create a strong first impression. If you have professional photos, that's great, but if not, don't worry. A smartphone with good lighting can work wonders. Alternatively, you can use stock images as a placeholder until you're ready to update them. Once your photos are uploaded, they'll help set the tone for your site's design. Next, add your restaurant's logo to the site. This is a key part of your branding and helps your website feel cohesive and professional. If you don't have a logo yet, consider creating one before completing this step, as it will tie everything together visually. After your logo is in place, take some time to customize your headings and descriptions. These are the text elements that describe your restaurant, your menu, and anything else you want your visitors to know. Be clear, engaging, and true to your brand voice. This is your chance to really connect with potential customers and let them know what makes your restaurant special. Once your text is in place, arrange all your content so that it feels cohesive and aligned with your brand. Squarespace's editor makes this easy with drag and drop functionality so you can experiment with different layouts until everything looks just right. And don't worry if something feels off. Squarespace allows you to undo changes or make adjustments at any time, so you're always in control. And that's it. You've just learned how to build a restaurant website in Squarespace, from setting up your site's purpose and type to designing the layout and adding your branding. With a little customization, you now have a professional site that showcases your restaurant and engages your customers. If you have any questions or tips on building a restaurant website, leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.